Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech. It's me Raj, and today we'll be discussing about the Amazon S3 Glacier storage classes. And for the content, we have introduction to Amazon S3 Glacier, why S3 Glacier is needed, S3 Glacier storage classes overview, S3 Glacier instant retrieval, S3 Glacier flexible retrieval, S3 Glacier deep archive, and benefits of the Amazon S3 Glacier. And finally, we'll conclude it with a small conclusion, and we'll finish the video. So let's start with the introduction to Amazon Glacier. Uh, S3 Glacier is the part of the Amazon Simple Storage service. It's designed especially for the archiving and long-term backups of the data that rarely accessed. It's a perfect choice for the organization looking to store a large volume of data securely and affordably without paying the high cost of standard S3 storage. AWS provides three main Glacier. That would be S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval, S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval, and S3 Glacier Deep Archive. We'll be discussing these later on in a detailed way. So why do we need the S3 Glacier and what are the importance of the S3 Glacier? Okay, let's talk about it. Every organization today generates huge amount of data that would be in the form of terabytes of data daily, from customer transaction to logs, reports, and backups. But not all this data is accessed daily. Keeping everything in a standard S3 storage become costly. That's where the S3 Glaciers comes. It provides the low-cost way to store cold data that you want to keep for compliance, legal, or recovery reasons, but do not need immediately. Okay, the best part, even though it's cheaper, AWS ensure the same durability level, that is 99.999%, meaning your data is almost never lost. So it supports the compliance and disaster recovery need. Glacier allows archiving while maintaining the durability. Okay, let's move towards the S3 Glacier storage classes overview. Okay, there are mainly three different type of classes that are instant retrieval, flexible retrieval, and deep archive. So instant retrieval, it is the best when you rarely access your data, but when you do, you need it immediately. For example, medical image or video. Flexible retrieval, previously known as a Glacier, is a middle option. It is more cost effective and offers retrieval within a minute to a few hours. It requires a bit large time to retrieval. And next is a deep. Finally, next is a deep archive. It is the cheapest options designed for the data you may not access for a month or years, like old financial data audit data records. Okay, uh, let's discuss about the S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval. Okay, it's a first class Glacier Instant Retrieval. It provides access to your data in a millisecond, just like S3 standards. It's perfect for archives that you don't access often but still need quick access when required. For example, a hospital is storing patient x-ray or a medical company storing old video footage. It costs less than a standard storage while maintaining the perfect performance and durability, making it an excellent hybrid options. Okay, next is S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval. So uh, it balances the cost and speed. AWS offer three retrieval options. Uh, that would be expletive, which retrieves data in a minute, standards, which takes a few hours. It takes a few hours to retrieve the data, and in a bulk, and which can be retrieved like a petabyte of data overnight. But it takes a time. This makes it ideal for the organization that occasionally need to restore large data set or perform periodic compliance check. It is cheaper than an instant retrieval, but provide flexibility in how fast you need the data. But when it offers a low cost for the data, but it takes a time for the retrieval. It takes more time for the retrievals. Okay. Uh, moving on. Last but not least, the Glacier S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Okay, it is the most economical storage class in AWS. It's a design for the data that stores for a year but really exist. Those are not really accessed, like government data, legal record, or historical research data. Okay. Uh, Retrieval time can be range from 12 to 48 hours. It depends on how much data you are retrieving, so it's not meant for immediate access. However, the cost saving are massive, up to 75% cheaper than S3 standard IA. Many industries use deep archive to meet a long-term data retention and compliance regulations. Okay. Okay, let's discuss about the benefits of the Amazon S3 Glacier. The first one would be a highly durable and secure, provides the same 11.9 durability as other S3 classes. AWS gives you a flexibility in how and when to retrieve your data, helping you balance cost and business need. You only need to pay for what you use, store, retrieval, and data transfer. Uh, it is also integrates smoothly with other AWS service like AWS Backup, Data Sync, and Lifecycle Policy to automatic data archiving and restores the processes. Uh, and finally, overall, we can say that S3 Glacier is the must have. S3 Glacier is a must have for any cost optimization storage strategy. Okay, so these are the benefits of the S3 Glacier. Finally, to summarize or to conclude our video, we can say that Amazon S3 Glacier provide a powerful, secure, and affordable solutions for long-term data storage. So it's a three classes: instant retrieval, flexible retrieval, and deep archive. AWS allow users to choose the best balance between the cost and access time. Okay, whether it's a compliance, backups, or archive needs, S3 Glacier ensures your data is protected from long run for the very long time. By implementing a Glacier into a cloud archives or architectures, you can reduce cost while maintaining reliability and compliance, and win both security and budget. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you need any other help, then just let me know. No, let me know. You can drop the comment below, and if you have inquiries, also drop a video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching.